my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254, and what we finna do now? In this video, man, we finna go through our trim. It's time to kind of stop hoarding, right? It's time to identify what we need for our box. Anything else that we don't have or don't need for our box, we need to just go on and kind of let it go. As much as you always want to hold on to stuff or whatnot, we do have two other bills or two other projects that, you know, need some love and need some attention too. So we're just gonna kind of divvy it up, identify what we need, what we don't need. That way my stuff can be separate from this other stuff before I get ready to sell what I don't need. So let's get to it. So basically what I'm gonna be doing with some of this stuff is I'm going to be taking it and putting it in this tube here, and then that way I know that it's something for my car versus something I'm about to sell. So some of these pieces, we kind of went through a video like this before. Some of them I'm not 100% sure on. Some of them I am. So we're basically just gonna get everything laid out here and then go from there. So let me cut y'all back on when we get this together. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LSR254, man, and I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog DJ Jamalot at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now let's do a little montage. So cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by LSR254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LSR or Caprice today. Alright, so now I done pretty much pulled everything off the shelf and I got it kind of labeled out, sort of. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Extra. I'm gonna show you what I got extra. I'm not gonna show you what I got for me. But it don't matter. These was like, I guess, original door sweeps. These is no good. I already got new ones, so those can go in the trash. So we just gonna put them over there. I got an extra I got an extra set of door seals for a two-door. I mean, there is a little bit of damage right there. Try to show you the whole picture. It's kind of banged up right there. And then down now. I mean, that could be cleaned up. On this one, it's like an actual like little tear or a little rip in it, if you can see. So, but I do got an extra set of those. There's also one over there. I got a couple pieces over here that I cannot identify. It does look like I have one of these extra and one of these extra. I gotta identify where they go. I know they go to a two-door, but it's been so long since I pulled it off that car. I do not recall, but they definitely go to the car. Let's see what else we got here. I got those same pieces for my car, but like I said, I wasn't gonna show y'all mine. I just, so as not to confuse, but I do got an extra set. I'm trying to see how this, if it's even extra. So they look similar, but the connections are different. So yeah, maybe that's not extra. We're gonna hold on to that. We're gonna hold on to that. This one I know for sure is extra. In here I got my door seals. Got a door seal threshold joint. I got my landau trim that goes across the top. I go down the side of the car, over the doors. Yeah. Over the doors and everything. And this here, the doors is extra, and these is extra. Well, not extra, but they're mine. Let's see. Alright, focus. Back on what I got extra for sale. These right here is for the back window. Back window trim for photo. Yeah. These are the back one. This is the back window trim for photo. I got two sets of the back window trim for photo. Ball heads. I don't believe that they're gonna fit anything else. So these are for ball heads. Back window trim. I got two sets. Get at me if you need that shit for pricing. I prefer to sell this shit locally, but if I gotta try to find some way to ship it to you, you're gonna pay for it. And then I also got three sets of the front window trim. It's pretty much 3 pieces. Yeah, it's just 3 pieces. There's one piece that goes across the top, and then there's 2 that come down the sides. So I got 3 sets of those. And like I said, I would prefer local sale. You can come get it, or I mean, if I can ship it to you, you know what I'm saying, you don't have to pay the shipping and handling and shit. Judged off of the way that the last thing I had to ship, well, the last thing I received was shipping. It was shipped in this tube right here. So if I can find if I can find a tube or a box or some shit, then I'll just, you know, buy the tube. I can buy the tube. The tube would just have to be long enough to fit. However long this is, maybe like three to 5 feet, 3 or 4 feet probably. And then I can put all that off in there and I can get it shipped out to you. Probably gonna be UPS or FedEx. You probably don't want your high dollar Caprice parts handled by the post office. I'm just saying, you want to make sure you get them. You want to make sure you get them quickly, and yeah. So I'm gonna do a little research, see where I can get one of these tubes, just in case somebody that see this video want to order one of them sets of trims, and then I could just stick it off in the tube and send it out to you, let you know what the shipping is, the way your zip code is, and all that stuff. So, next up, let me see. For some reason, I have like an extra piece of. For some reason, I have like an extra piece of trim. Let's see here. Like I said, I got some extra pieces that I'm like, where the hell do they go? Like, I don't know where those go. So I mean, I ain't gonna get rid of them, but I'm just looking at them crazy. Like, where do you go again? But I know I pulled them out that car, so I'll figure it out. Let's see what else back here. Damn, that should be it, to be honest. Let me see here. I'm gonna just go out here and get the rest of my Landau pieces off the car. I was just having, so I got all of my rock trim. I was just putting it on the car to kind of see how it's gonna look. You know what I'm saying? That's how it's gonna look. With the trim on there. Then I got my Landau pieces. Got that one. See this right here. One that go over the door. And then I actually got the my set that goes across here. You know what I'm saying? Right here. And then it's gonna come down. It's gonna come down and then arc over like that. It'll have to be modified because, of course, I got the roof in there. So what I plan on doing is like altering the trim to where it'll just come there to the edge of the coming to the edge of the roof. And that way it'll still look like I got my Landau. I'll still have my Landau trim on there, but just a modified version of it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. So I guess that'll pretty much wrap this video up. Like I said, just trying to get rid of anything extra. And within getting rid of the extra stuff, man, it'll kind of help me help somebody else out. You know what I'm saying? Put some money in my, help them, help me. They get the parts they need. I get some extra bread, and then I can go ahead and finish putting this cutlass together, and then go from there. So that's about it, man. So it's your boy LSJ Rock 254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.